MTM Medium Speed Trapezium Mill. MTM Medium Speed Trapezium Mill is a new patent product developed from high-pressure suspension grinding mill. It is mainly applied in metallurgy, construction, chemical industry, mining industry, road building, water conservancy, fireproof materials, steel, etc. This machine adopts several patents such as trapezium working surface, flexible connection, roll link pressure boost, etc. Operation principle of main unit. Main unit runs with a central shaft that is driven by a gearbox. The top of the shaft is connected with a quincunx stand, on which a grinding roller is installed to form a swing support. The grinding roller not only rotates around the central axle and grinding roller, but also rotates around its own axle due to the friction. There is pallet knife system at bottom of quincunx stand. The pallet knife system is under the grinding roller. With co-rotation of pallet knife and grinding roller, pallet knife will lift the materials into the space between the roller and ring to form a material layer. The materials will be grinded due to the centrifugal force of roller. The classifier drives the impeller on the tray to rotate through speed-adjusting motor, so the powder can be separated. The fine particles will enter cyclone collector. After being separated from the airflow, powder will be collected. Those particles will be thrown to the outside wall to be separated from the airflow. Heavy powder will fall into the grinding chamber to regrind due to self-gravity.